Why is that your favorite hero?
Jairus did that.
Lauren. No, Lauren. Jairus did everything except for me. I did Lauren. Why is you were big? Lauren, she liked me though. No. She big? Yeah, she does not. She hated everyone except for me. Hello, Jake. What do you mean you have tutor? Can you just extend it tomorrow? Hello. Can you just extend it tomorrow?
I don't know if I can convince
Can Jessica's not going to tutor? I'm not gonna go to tutor, man. Can you tell them I won't go to tutor? And then I'll extend tomorrow. I'm sick. I'm not supposed to go to tutor. That's illegal. Wait. Can you tell them that it'll just be extended tomorrow? After the bet, come on. After all the people after the bet, you know how gahi ulo she is.
well, my parents ask her, so I can speak to her about the you have tutor then.
After the bet. Extend na lang tomorrow. We can do that, man.
The tutor teacher is there.
Yeah. Tomorrow. No tutor. No tutor, but it'll be extended tomorrow. There is no so that Jairus can go to school. All of us can go, man. Sa seaside, sa cinema.
Excuse me, I'll change the movie screen in the cinema. I'll change Worthy of the Lamb from National Entertainment.
At 4 o'clock. But then,
Girls, you can change the movie screen in the cinema.
that's cool.
Change the movie screen.
The tutor is 1 o'clock.
No tutor na lang. But then tomorrow na lang mag-extend. Hello? Tomorrow na lang mag-extend. Okay, good.
Red, almost your school in Montessori.
Hello?
Yeah. You're not completely.
Tell her if you can't go, everyone can go.
Wait, why doesn't he just go to tutor at 1 and try to finish fast? Then he just goes with us.
No matter how fast we are, we need to.
Yeah, but the entry ends at 3 too. I'm 9.
Yeah, but then Jairus normally takes up.
At the radio ron.
Hello, Jay?
Ano naman? Ano naman?
We can go.
Jay lang sa.
Hello? Jay?
Oh, wait, excuse me. What happened?
What happened to?
No, it's him.
Yeah, we're going now. We're going now. You stay there in your hand.
Wait, I have to stay outside.
You have to stay outside. Okay. We'll see you later.
Oh my God. Do you want to hear me?
Are you like something to eat cake? No, you're food.
Yan, Jack. Nanay is going to maupot abot. Kuwang pa mo ni